Good morning, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and we've got this big old box, and we're going to see what's inside. First, for good luck, I'm going to take a swig of this coffee. Okay, that's pretty good. I think we're rolling the screen here. It's a wicked looking blade, isn't it? Alright. Nice air. This is good packaging. Wow, this looks like a Mantua. This is an odd combination. Oh, this is heavy, which is always good. Okay, so this looks intact. What looks like it's missing is a trailing truck here and a leading truck there. Well, that's one thing that's missing. This is kind of shabby. This, as you can see, is a wire, so this would have to be replaced. I'm making a new drawbar. Okay, we could work on that. And at the front looks like it's okay. I think we need additional light on. Yeah, so the front looks okay. All right, so it's kind of interesting. Leave that there. What is here? Pick this up off of an eBay lot. Uh-oh. Rubber band doesn't sound too good. Oh, look at that. What is this? Uh-oh. So this is the Tyco c630. Okay, the horns are in pretty good shape. What is that? Oh, wow. Looks like there are no couplers. What is this? Is this the coupler? Oh no. This is... Oh no. Oh wow. This is this piece here. We gotta fix that. At least he found it. This has got the Rivarossi drive. You see that? This has got the Rivarossi drive. Oh man. So this Rivarossi, I'm sorry, this is a made by Tyco, but an early run Tyco in the early 70s, like 71 or 72. And they actually had a Rivarossi drive put in. It's a mimic, whether they used the actual Rivarossi parts or they just reverse engineered it. It says on there, made by Tyco in Hong Kong. You could see that, made by Tyco in Hong Kong. So let's hope it runs. Okay, it doesn't have the couplers, but and I think it might have needed a special coupler box. Yep. So we're gonna have to improve on that. That might not be too easy. It's got no handrails, which it's supposed to have, but looks like I might be able to get away with handrails by Tyco, by Athearn. I don't know. I got to see. I don't want to screw them up. Well, let's see if these things work. But first thing we got to do is, well, after see if it runs or not, then we got to put this back on. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and you can always find some interesting stuff on eBay. I wonder if I take this off, though, if this top is going to just pop off. I hope not. I wonder how he must have dropped it. Hey, at least he found a piece. That's somewhat of a help. Oh no. Okay, at least it's staying on. So I suspect we're gonna need some cyano acrylic glue and a little plate behind it to create a larger surface area to bond. Probably use a little tiny piece of metal. Use this. You know, just to cut a thin thing to behind it so that the glue has more of a surface to grab. Hey, let you know what happens, and thank you so much for watching, and we have to see if they work.